Hi, Internet. It's Tuesday. Is it the 16th? My tablet's not telling me. September 16th, I think. Baby's sad. We're waiting on Gamma to get. Yeah, it's the 16th. So we told Eric last night, and our 11-year-old, at the doors. It was really, really hard. We all cried. But I have baby hugs, so. Do you want to go to the park while Gammy's at school, honey? You want to go to the park? Did the park sound fun? Let's go to the park. Yeah, so drove Iris to playgroup, and she's asleep back there. I don't want to wake her up. I think I'm just going to sit in my car and read. Even though I want to go say hi to my friends. I forgot to put the stroller in my car. She has not been napping until like 3 p.m. for the last 2 weeks. And today she falls asleep at 12:45. She's a mean baby. Mean baby. Mean baby. Guess I'll just read. Hi, Internet. I need a laptop, and I'm at Best Buy, and here's the one I like. Can't find it. This one's really sexy. What do you think? What do you think? I don't know what I should get. And there's this one. Asus. This is the thing I don't like. They're all touchscreens. Why are they all touchscreens? I just don't get it. Why? Okay, so I decided on this laptop. And I brought it home, and it won't turn on. I push the power and nothing happens. Turn on. Plugged in. It like the keyboard lit up for a minute, and then like turned off when I plugged it in. I don't know what's going on.